mga bata, handa na ba kayong matuto ngayong araw?
Opo, teacher!
Ngayong araw ay ang bansang Ecuador ang ating tatalakayin. Kung ano nga ba ang history, geography, traditions, beliefs at popular destinations nito. Andito si Teacher King upang magbigay alam tungkol sa history ng Ecuador. Teacher King?
Magandang araw mga bata, narito ako upang pag-aralan natin ang history ng bansang Ecuador. Evolved from a land of isolated indigenous groups into the mighty Inca civilization, which was conquered in 1532 by the Spanish and consequently liberated from their colonial rule by Simon Bolivar in 1822. The country's history has been marked by political and economic challenges, including long periods of military rule, boom and bust economic cycles, and inequitable distribution of wealth.
Wow! Ganoon pala ang history ng Ecuador. Ano naman kaya ang geography nila? Mga bata, Ecuador is a country in West South America bordering the Pacific Ocean at the equator, for which the country is named. Ecuador encompasses a wide range of natural formations and climates, from the desert-like southern coast to the snow-capped peaks of the Andes Mountain, range to the plains of the Amazon Basin.
Idadako na tayo sa culture, beliefs, and tradition ng bansang Ecuador. For the culture, streaming from its long and rich history, Ecuadorian culture includes a fair mix of indigenous practices along with European colonial influence. Almost everyone in Ecuador has a mixed race background, which has resulted in tremendous cultural diversity as well as unique customs and traditions across the whole country. Ecuador has multiple ethnicities, with 72% of the population mestizo, combined European and indigenous American descent origin. Religion in Ecuador, the predominant religion is Roman Catholic, but there is scattering of other Christian faiths, indigenous Ecuadorians. However, have led of Catholicism and their traditional beliefs. An example is the near synonymous association of Pachamama, Mother of Earth, and the Virgin Mary. The tradition, Dia de los Difuntos, the Day of the Dead. November 22nd is the Dia de los Difuntos, a day when the deceased are remembered and honored. In some areas of the big cities and throughout the rural areas of Ecuador, people flock to cemeteries to visit their dead.
For the last part, there are 5 tourist destinations in Ecuador. First is Quito. Standing tall on the Andean foothills at 2,850 meters above sea level sits Quito, the capital of Ecuador, identified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city easily warrants a visit at least 2 to 3 days, if not longer. Explore the best preserved old town in Latin America. Take in the vast city views from the Basilica del Voto Nacional and indulge in a tasty empanada del Viento. Quito is a stunning place filled with art, history, food, and best of all friendly and welcoming people. It's the perfect stop to explore and use as a jumping off point to get to the rest of Ecuador. If you're in the mood for colonial architecture, rich culture, and absolutely delicious cuisine, you'll find all that and more in the vibrant city of Cuenca. The best way to explore is to grab your camera and aimlessly wander. Meander to the Cathedral of Immaculate Conception and take in the stunning blue domes. Enjoy an ice cream while people watching in Calderon Park and visit the Panama Hat Museum where you'll discover the true origin of iconic True Fedora. It's Amazon jungle, spanning 8 countries including Ecuador, is the Amazon rainforest. Everything about its 1.5 billion acres of dense forest is impressive, including that it's home to millions, yes, millions, of species including pink dolphins, jaguars, and slugs. Add to that the thousands of plants, fish, and reptiles that call it home, and you've got a well-dubbed spotting bonanza. We could go on with facts and figures, but it's best to learn about it in person, by staying in rustic huts, communing with the local people, and soaking in the natural abundance. Pacific Coast. In order to truly experience every attraction Ecuador has to offer, start or end your adventure with a hop over to coastal gems like Guayaquil, Salinas, Esmeraldas, Montañita, and Machadilla. A mix of cultural and breathtaking beaches, the Pacific Coast fills your lungs with salty air and your mind with endless memories. Explore the vibrant city of Guayaquil. Lunch in golden sand beaches in Salinas. Indulge your taste buds in the fresh cuisines of Esmeraldas. Perfect your surfing skills on the waves of Montañita. And take a mud bath in Sulphur Lagoon at Agua Blanca in Macharilla National Park.